Hi, everyone. This is Selena Belisle, the founder of CE Institute. I'm also one of the CE providers and approved instructors teaching CE hours to the nursing, massage, and cosmetology industries in massage and bodywork. Today, I want to show you how to make your own wet wipes. I'm actually going to use a cleaning product that's already formulated in a bottle. But one of the reasons why I want to just show you this, we're showing this in our sports massage class, and that's because as we become more health conscious, we know that we're really not supposed to spray cleaners unless you're wearing a mask. And in COVID, that's perfect, right? But when you spray, especially at a sporting event or a chair massage event where you might be spraying cleanser 6 times an hour, spraying disinfectant and so forth, inhaling all of that disinfectant could actually be irritating to your lungs and possibly even cause damage. So I'm recording this in 2022 when there was a heralding shortage of sanitation supplies. And you might want wet wipes instead of using sprayers of sanitation products. And it's very easy to create your own wet wipes. Let me show you how. I'm going to use products that I got at Dollar Tree. Those are a dollar paper towels. I just got a Ziploc bag. And this is Comet, that was a solution that's for COVID-19. Now, we're not even really supposed to handle disinfectants or sanitation supplies with your bare hands because your skin absorb. Okay. When you don't want to absorb chemical, your skin is the largest organ of the body and it does absorb. It also secretes. So you have this two-way transmission on your skin. And we don't want to be handling chemicals. That's really not good for you. So whenever you're handling sanitation supplies, you should always glove up. Now, it's really simple to make your own wet wipes. I'm going to struggle a little bit here with this paper towel roll. All you're going to do is pull out the cardboard ring in your paper towels. It's a little difficult maneuvering all of that paper towel into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. With the cardboard ring in it. But if you remove the cardboard ring, it's actually the perfect size to take one of those lesser expensive, smaller paper towel rolls and squeeze it into a Ziploc bag and then just pour your cleanser on it. Now, in addition to a pre-made well, it's not really a cleanser, it's a disinfectant. In addition to a pre-made disinfectant like I have here, you could also use distilled water with some essential oils. Just mix the water in the essential oil bag first so that it's well dispersed prior to applying that to your towel. In this case, where I have a pre-made disinfectant, I'm going to squish my towels into the Ziploc bag. They will fit. You have to push them a little bit. Once they become wet, they'll be more flexible and moldable. Then I'm just going to unscrew this disinfectant. I had already used it a bit and I got conscious, like, you know what? I really shouldn't be spraying this. This is not good for my lungs. And I'm going to take and pour this product straight over the paper towels. Now, it might not look like it's enough solution, and it might not penetrate the towel, all the towels right away. That's okay. Just leave it overnight. The nice thing about paper towels is they are absorbent. So all you need to do is just squish that in there. And the next day you'll be able to unroll that and start pulling off some wet wipes with it. And they will have an equal dispersion of disinfectant solution. So that's how to make your own wet wipes. It's fairly easy. If you are interested in learning more with us, we are here at CE Institute. It's ceinstitute.com. We hope that you're already on our YouTube station. This is likely where you're already watching this. There are many other technique and theory classes for the massage and bodywork industry here for you, free of charge. We also have a Facebook, Twitter, and ran a Instagram account where we post notifications when we do have new free training available. And of course, you can sign up for any of our CE classes. They're right here on the left-hand side of the menu bar at CE Institute. So that's all I have for you today, folks. Until I see you in a class, be safe.